Hi, thanks for watching. Welcome to your next car limited in Nottingham. It's a quick short walk around video of gy64ekt, which is a 420D XDRIVE two-door coupe. It's one of over 100 BMWs we have in stock currently, all performance styled. If you're looking to view this one, please give us a call, quote the reg. We don't have one site large enough to fit all the vehicles, so sometimes we do need to bring those round. So appointment is always advised. Start with the front end here. We've got a 3-piece matte splitter, gloss performance kidney grills, xenon headlights, 20-inch wheels. The reason I slowed it down there was just to show you the fitment on the splitters. I'm sure you're aware there's lots of cars in the market. We've got some single piece ones. All our parts are made, manufactured in Germany. We've got a really good supplier, so please do note the fitting. Looking at the sidebars, the decals. 20-inch wheels with brand new tyres. Gloss rear high kick spoiler there. Rear diffuser. Still got the badging on this one because it's an XDRIVE. If you prefer, you can have that removed. This one doesn't have privacy glass. We can have that fitted for you, no problem at all. Automatic sports steering wheel, black leather heated seats, xenon headlights as I mentioned before. Automatic wipers are standard on this, front and rear parking sensors are standard on this model also. Mileage is currently 32,000. It's got the business media package, digital climate control, silver matte brushed aluminium with the gloss black detailing there, all in very good condition. Cruise controlled speed limit display also, automatic lights. We'll just go into the sat nav there to show you that, and then the service information. So BMW service info is as follows: 13 and 30,000, and a few miles later had a different interval, so just to show you that, had an engine oil, and then probably a couple of days later had the rear brake pads. So in terms of maintenance, it's all up to date. Next service is due in 13,000 miles. Thanks for looking. Any question, give one of us a call.